An 80-year-old patient enters the emergency room. Their medical history is incomplete, and the hospital's diagnostic AI must evaluate their condition instantly. But instead of identifying a crisis, the system assigns this patient the healthy blood pressure of a teenager. This occurs because the algorithm encountered a missing value in the patient's file. When a computer hits an empty cell, it often crashes, forcing developers to use a technical shortcut to keep the system running. That shortcut is mean imputation. The system calculates the column average and pastes that exact number into every single gap. While this satisfies the computer's need for a complete dataset, it distorts the underlying reality. It forces the AI to make critical decisions based on a false representation of the patient. This specific failure stems from univariate blindness. The algorithm focuses on one column in isolation, ignoring the surrounding features that define a patient's actual state. This causes variance destruction. Variance represents the natural diversity of your data. When you fill gaps with a single average, the distribution collapses toward the center. The dataset loses its texture. The unique peaks and valleys representing real-world variations disappear, leaving a flat, inaccurate line. This leads to an even more significant mathematical failure: covariance distortion. Covariance is the way two variables move together. In a healthy dataset, age and annual income rise in a predictable, synchronized pattern. Inserting a generic average into missing income slots severs this link. The mathematical relationship breaks, leaving data points disconnected from their original logic. Machine learning models rely on these subtle connections to identify patterns. Destroying these structural relationships causes models to learn incorrect correlations and produce flawed predictions. Missing data does not have to be a dead end. Every empty cell retains a mathematical relationship with the information that survived around it. Multivariate imputation by chained equations, or MICE, utilizes the surrounding information. It replaces simplistic averages with a model-based approach to data recovery. Unlike univariate methods, MICE operates across every feature in the dataset simultaneously. It looks for the patterns that link various columns together. The algorithm maps the interdependence between variables. It treats the missing value as a variable to be estimated based on all other known data points. By utilizing the full architecture of the dataset, the system moves from guessing based on averages to predicting based on the entire available context. This process happens in 4 stages. First, the initialization phase creates a rough placeholder by temporarily filling gaps with simple averages, allowing the system to work with a complete grid. In step 2, target isolation, the algorithm clears the temporary values from a single column. It isolates those gaps so they can be solved individually. Step 3 is prediction. The system trains a machine learning model on complete rows, identifying specific patterns linking the target column to the rest of the data. It calculates the most probable value, slotting a mathematically grounded estimate into the gap. Step 4 involves iterative refinement. The algorithm updates the dataset and moves to the next column, repeating this cycle across every feature in the set. This cyclical process continues until the predictions stabilize. The numbers fluctuate through each pass until they converge on their most accurate values. This iterative loop transforms a fragmented dataset into a cohesive, self-correcting system that preserves its own internal logic. Returning to the emergency room, MICE allows the diagnostic AI to see through the gaps. By analyzing the patient's weight and cholesterol history, it reconstructs the missing heart rate data, identifying the high-risk state that a simple average would have missed. In finance, this approach uncovers patterns in loan applications. If a fraudster leaves fields blank to hide their history, MICE uses their transaction records to estimate the missing entries, flagging inconsistencies that indicate risk. In astronomy, MICE helps reconstruct images of distant galaxies. When satellite data is corrupted, the algorithm analyzes the radiation patterns in neighboring pixels to estimate the missing starlight, bringing blurred cosmic structures back into focus. Across modern medicine, complex global banking, and deep space physics, the ability to reconstruct reality from surrounding evidence ensures that systems remain functional even when their inputs are incomplete. A blank cell in a dataset is often a form of behavioral data. The fact that a data point is missing can be as informative as the values that are present. In a medical survey, an older patient might consistently skip specific questions, creating a pattern where the missingness is directly correlated with age. Recognizing these patterns allows us to build information streams that maintain their integrity despite the messiness of real-world data collection. Moving away from static approximations toward these multivariate techniques allows engineers to build models that are resilient, adaptive, and more accurately reflective of the complex world they describe.